Hi there, students. Brackish. Brackish water. Okay, if you describe water as brackish, it's salty, but it's not as salty as the sea. This is something that is typical in a river estuary. Now, for example, the sea is normally about 3.5% salt. But if you've got a river that flows into the sea, the tide pushes back and forward with that river, and there is a place where the river becomes more and more brackish. There is more and more salt in the water until eventually it becomes seawater. So, for example, the Thames at Teddington, which is west of London, there is no salt in the water. And between Teddington and Battersea, central London, the water is becoming more and more brackish. And after that, from Battersea out to Gravesend, it becomes completely salty. So brackish water is salty water, but it's not as strong as seawater. So it's somewhat salty, but less salty than seawater. So the water is brackish water. In a mangrove swamp, perhaps, you will find there is brackish water as well. So as the water comes down the river and it starts to meet the sea, the water becomes more and more brackish. Now, it's possible to use this word brackish as well to say unpalatable, not very nice, a bit yucky. So I tasted the tea that they had been drinking, and to me it tasted very brackish, strong and rather unpleasant. Or maybe brackish cold coffee as well, it could be. But normally this word brackish is talking about water, slightly salty water. Okay, it's sort of muddy and salty and not very nice. Yeah. Sorry. If you smell some sort of liquid and it's rather horrible, you might describe it as brackish. But brackish water, a brackish lagoon, a salty lagoon. Yeah, it's containing salt, but it's not as salty as the sea. Brackish, formality. It is what it is. I think 5.5 in formality. Maybe 6, but use anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from the Dutch word brack, which means brackish or brack, salty. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Brackish.